I'm just so confused. CA करना चाहिए, ACCA करना चाहिए या फिर CFA करना चाहिए. लोग आजकल सब कुछ क्यों कर रहे हैं? फिर CMA भी कर रहे हैं, CS भी कर रहे हैं, CPA भी कर रहे हैं. Does it really make sense to do all of these degrees? I'm just so confused. Let me ask Google. Let me search it on Google. What it really says is ACCA is an international course, CA is for India. With CFA, you specialize in finance and investment. CFA exams are tougher. ACCA is a broader qualification. CA is a solid foundation. Oh no, this is just so confusing. What to do? What to really do? Hi everyone. CA, CFA, ACCA, CPA, CMA and a lot other courses are available in the market when it comes to finance. And कई बार हम ये सारे courses को अच्छे से समझ नहीं पाते हैं, determine नहीं कर पाते हैं कि हमारे लिए क्या ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Just because और कोई CA कर रहा है, CFA कर रहा है, तो हमें भी कर लेना चाहिए. बहुत ही prestigious course है. It's not the right reason to pursue any course. आपके हिसाब से क्या कोर्स है ये आपको डिटरमाइन करना होता है. इफ़ यू सिंपली टाइप इट ऑन गूगल कि क्या कौन सा कोर्स करना चाहिए, विच वन इज़ बेटर, इट जस्ट गिव्स यू अ वेरी बुकिश आंसर, राइट. द अनदर थिंग दैट यू डू इज़ यू सर्च इट ऑन लिंक्डइन. किसी की प्रोफाइल के नीचे यू हैव लाइक 4-5 टाइटल्स टुगेदर एंड यू फील दैट ओ this person has done so and so thing, and coincidentally if that person is doing really good in life, you just think that अच्छा इसने ये 5 डिग्री किया है तो मुझे भी ये करना ही है. But that's not the right approach. What you should do for your own benefit is evaluate. So the first thing that you should consider is what is your goal. When you think about any finance course, कि मुझे फाइनेंस कोर्स करना है या फिर मुझे कुछ तो फाइनेंस में करना है, तो यू शुड थिंक कि मेरा गोल क्या है. वेदर आई वांट टू बी इन अ कोर फाइनेंस जॉब या फिर आई वांट समथिंग जिसमें फाइनेंस नॉलेज हो बट थोड़ा प्रैक्टिकल साइड पे, स्ट्रैटेजी साइड पे जाना है. यू नीड टू फर्स्ट डिटरमिन व्हाट इज़ योर गोल. लाइक डू यू इवन रियली वांट टू परस्यू दिस फाइनेंस कोर्स और नॉट. I've seen a lot of people who come and say that, oh, I did this course because my friend was doing it. Is that the right reason to do any course? The second thing that you should consider is time commitment. Time commitment, I think it's a very objective way to evaluate. We all know कि हमारे पास कितना टाइम है, हम कितना टाइम डिवोट कर सकते हैं. For example, there are a few people who say that, okay, I can't study more than 2 years एक बार में. और some people are like, okay, I'm okay to devote 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, whatsoever it takes, but I want to complete CA. So everyone has different time commitments. Sometimes people has responsibilities, they have to do job. In that case, I just tell them, see, it would take you 4 years at least to earn a good amount of money as a CA. So everyone has different time commitments, and CA requires more time, ACCA is very flexible, CFA is also flexible at the same time, but to get the charter you need to have that internship experience. So these are the things we know, but while making a decision many times we just don't consider. We think that okay, सामने वाले ने किया तो हम कर लेते हैं. And the third thing that you should consider is your strengths. Assume that okay, बहुत अच्छा कोर्स है, बहुत अच्छा सैलरी मिलेगा, सब कुछ मिलेगा, ठीक है, टाइम कमिटमेंट भी हम दे सकते हैं, बट वुड यू बी एबल टू डू दैट कोर्स? डू यू थिंक यू हैव दोज कैपेबिलिटीज़? डू यू थिंक दिस इज समथिंग दैट गोज विद योर स्ट्रेंथ और वेरी मच अगेंस्ट योर स्ट्रेंथ? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if you're someone who likes financial analysis, then maybe CFA is the right choice for you. But let's say if you're someone who is looking to work outside India but in the accounting domain, more in the accounting domain, then maybe ACCA is the right choice for you, or maybe CPA. And if you're someone looking for finance, accounting, taxation exposure in India, then CA is best for you. So you need to consider what are your strengths, what are you good at, or what actually excites you. It might sound like very cliche factors, but eventually these are the factors which would determine whether you would do really good at a course or not. वरना आप कितने भी कोर्सेज कर लो, कितने भी डिग्रीज कर लो, बट अगर वो आपके पैशन के साथ, आपकी एबिलिटीज़ के साथ जाता ही नहीं है, तो आप कुछ टाइम तक तो कर सकते हो, बट यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू बिकम एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी एट इट. Now, what are the ways to solve this confusion, right? ये 3 चीज़ें मैंने आपको बता दी, but sometimes we are not able to answer these 3 things for us. So how can we go about it? So one is that you go for career counseling. There are a lot of educational organization who gives free career counseling for ACCA, for any finance course that you are pursuing. That is one way. Now the second way is you do your own research, and when I say research, I don't mean Google research. Like, the best way to do that is you find people who have done ACCA, CFA, CA or whatever. Talk to them. I know you message 20 people, only 2 might reply, but talk to them. So when you talk to these people, you can just ask about the salary range, कि कितना salary range है, and I'm referring to the median. कभी भी highs or lows पे नहीं जाना है. So you will find ACCA, CAs who are earning 12 lakhs, but also like 6-7 lakhs. So don't consider, okay, 6-7 lakhs is the range, or maybe like someone is earning 15 lakhs, so 15 lakhs is the range. Similarly in CA, there are people earning 20 lakhs, 25 lakhs as a fresher, but then almost like at a median level, the range is like 11 to 13 lakhs. So talk to people, you'll get to know what kind of work do they do, how much do they earn, are they really driven, are they liking the job, how is the work-life balance. These are very very important factors. जो हम अपना career choose करते हैं, time हमें समझ भी नहीं होती है and हम consider भी नहीं करते हैं. Before becoming CA, I really didn't know about BCG. I didn't know what consulting is, I didn't know what private equity is, and I accepted in front of everyone. Yes, I didn't know. I should have known ideally, but yeah, I didn't know this. So it's very important to know what are the options out there. And when I say no, it just doesn't mean that ऊपर से पता होना चाहिए. You need to go deep. Okay, these are the pros, these are the cons, and so that you can take a conscious decision from a long term. अभी आप किसी की बातों में आके कुछ कर लोगे कोर्स, बहुत अच्छा भी हो जाएगा, योर लाइफ माइट बी वेरी गुड फॉर नेक्स्ट 3 years, 5 years, बट इफ़ यू आर नॉट पैशनेट अबाउट इट, इफ दिस इज़ नॉट समथिंग दैट नेचुरली गोज विद यू, तो आप उसको लॉन्ग टर्म तक परस्यू ही नहीं कर पाओगे. सो टॉक टू पीपल. एंड थर्ड इज all the open reviews out there, do some benchmarking. Okay, in this, so I'll tell you what I was doing before making this video. I was just simply searching कि कितने enrollments या कितने registrations हुए हैं different courses में. So I got to know that CA enrollments percentage has gone down in past 2-3 years. ACCA enrollments have gone up in past few years. Similarly, you can also do some research. Okay, if this is a trend, why is this a trend? Why people are switching from one course to the another. So do your research properly, and then only you will be able to take this informed decision that whether you should do ACCA, CA, CFA, CMA, or all other courses that you are considering out there. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, let me know in the comments, and let me know whatever topics you want me to consider in the next video. Bye.